there are certain questions that UPSC asks every year, but all of you find it very difficult to identify such questions and also the topics from which these questions are asked. So to help you, we are coming up with most common question series. And in this, you will not only get the types of question, but also the topics from which these questions are asked by UPSC. For today, we have taken the topic of missing series. तो ये जो missing series है, इससे UPSC keep on asking questions every year, right? For example, this question was asked by UPSC in 2022 prelims. 2022 के CSAT पेपर में this question was asked by UPSC. Now observe the pattern. 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75, and they have asked you to find out the missing term. At the place of x, what is going to be the number? So when you multiply 20 by 0.5, what you will get? 10. When you multiply 10 by 1, you will get 10. When you multiply 10 by 1.5, you will get 15. When you multiply 15 by 2, you will get 30. 30 को multiply by 2.5, you will get 75. So this is the pattern of this sequence. First we are multiplied by 0.5, then 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Then next we are going to multiply by 3. So 75 को you have to multiply by 3. So the answer will be 225. So 225 will be the missing number of this series. I hope you have got the idea how you have to solve such questions. Just identify the pattern, you got your answer. So pattern identify करना is the biggest challenge. So that you will get to learn over the course of your preparation. Practice करोगे तो automatically you will get to learn these kind of patterns. Now have a look at this question. 2, 7, 20, 22, 67, 202, x, 1822. अब देखो ये क्वेश्चन 2021 में पूछा गया, 2021 में यूपीएससी ने आपसे पूछा. Again you have to find out the missing value, x की वैल्यू क्या होगी. So observe this pattern. 2 into 3 plus 1 is 7. Then 7 into 3 plus 1 is 22. ये है ना 22 क्या हुआ 7 into 3 plus 1. Then 22 into 3 plus 1 is 67. So this is the pattern it is following. What we are doing? We are multiplying the number by 3 and adding 1 to it to get the next number in the sequence. So by that logic 202 में हमें क्या करना है? Multiply 202 into 3 plus 1. This is how we will get the value of x. यही तो ना हमारा सीक्वेंस था. तो ये जो सीक्वेंस होता है they follow a same pattern. That is the reason they are sequence. अगर pattern follow नहीं होगा, this is not a sequence. So this is the pattern it is following. So this will be 606 plus 1. That will be 607. So this is the answer that you will get. So this is how you have to solve such questions. Identify the pattern. You got your answer. So these kind of questions you will often encounter in the UPSC CSAT paper. So it's very important that you prepare yourself to tackle questions on the number series. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.